2 of slime collection. So I used to have this silly putty. It was white and clear. No, it was just white because it was glow in the dark. This one is glow in the dark as well. Yep. But the other one was white with no coloring. And I played with it so much, it turned from white to brown because I played with it so much. So for my birthday, I got a new one, which is this cute little baby blue color. And I really like it because it stretches and it's a really nice putty. Like, this is the only putty that I think actually feels like this. You can stretch it, or if you pull on it really hard, you can break it. So I just really like this kind of putty, silly putty. It's really pretty baby blue. So yeah, it doesn't make any sound noises, but that is okay. So moving on to my one that is my favorite part, and I'm going to show you all my blue putties now. So I have this blue silly putty. We're going to have to make the screen wider. There we go. We have this blue putty, this Flarp blue putty, this and this are the same color, and this earth blue putty. And that's all of my blue putty. Well, and this cute little bunny. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue putties. Okay, moving on to the one that I am so excited about. So we're gonna prop you up because I'm just way too excited. So we're gonna make you, no, that doesn't work. Pop a little bit. We're gonna make you pop a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. I'm gonna put you back in the stance. And we need you there. Perfect. So we have this little blue cute little bunny rabbit. Yeah, that's okay. So we're just going to angle it down instead. So I'm just going to set it like this. So we have this cute little bunny rabbit that I got at Target today because we had to go to Target. And it's this cute little putty and it's full to the brim, like literally full. And it's this cute little turquoise. And it's shaped like a bunny. It has 2 eyes, some whiskers, and a little mouth, and 2 ears popping out. And I'm going to show you the putty. So this is just a clear container, and what was making it blue was the putty inside. So without the little putty, it's just this cute little clear little bunny. So adorable. So there's that. And then here is the putty. And it kind of looks like toothpaste to me. And if you kind of stretch it, it starts getting clear. So this one doesn't make noises, so silence. So there's that putty. Pretty little blue color. But now we're gonna add this to make it so that it is way more more cooler. So let's open this glitter and pour some in. Okay, pour it a little bit over the top. So I'm starting to see some glitter show up. And it just kind of makes it in that Eastery feel. So there's a lot more of these. There's a pink bunny. There's also a carrot and a chick and a pink polka dot one and a blue polka dot one. And those are all the ones that they have. But I got the blue bunny because it was like the cutest. And it's like Easter themed. It's in the dollar section. So I just thought to make it more Easter, how about we add some glitter in this video? Since this video is related with putty. With the putty. I was going to do it off camera, but then I'm like, well, wasn't I going to make a putty collection video? So why don't I just do it in there? And look, it's glittery now. I really like it, and it's still exact same consistency. The putty just makes it, the glitter just makes it kind of fun. So I'm just going to add a little bit more just to make it kind of fun, glittery, and super cool. So I just gotta mix that through. I do not regret this because it's really glittery now and I really like it. And once you add the glitter, just for a second, when you add the glitter or start mixing it in, the putty does kind of change just a little bit, like the consistency, but it's just exactly the same but with glitter. And it's so fun! So this is not, if you like get putty from like Target or whatever, you can add glitter and like little things to it, like beads, because it won't ruin it. Unless you add like beads or like foaming beads, it won't ruin it all. It'll just make your own little putty. So now this is really pretty, so I'm going to show you. So again, you saw me how I mixed it in. It's so pretty. You can't see it, but it is glittery. See, you can kind of see the glitters. I love it! I do not regret putting glitters in here. Like with one of my putties, I put beads in there, and I do regret that. Because it just added a really gross texture to it. To one of my slimes, not my putties. I do regret that, but putting glitter in here, I don't regret. Like when you stretch it, you can see the glitter. I could have added like pink glitter, but I ended blue because the putty's blue, so. Ha. I'm gonna get some white glitter. So I added these little bit bigger ones. Just to make it kind of springy like. This buddy's gonna be so much fun. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how fun. Okay, we might be changing this slime right now. In the past couple minutes, I think we're gonna make a full glitter. Full glitter putty. So I should have added these glitters in the first place, because these glitters just make it way more fun. And you can still see the exact color of the putty. Oh! I'm gonna get in trouble with these glitters if I keep playing with them. Kind of makes a crunching noise when you first put them in. Look at that fun putty. Look how cool that is. All those glitters. Okay, I'm gonna get way in trouble for this. Look how much we're adding. Look at that.